Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today's poster wanted to know how to reverse the colors of this photo. So we got a white background with black lettering. Well, the simplest way is to choose the layer, and you go to Filter, Adjustments, and hit Invert. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Everything has been reversed. Just joking. That one. This only works if the photo is one layer and it's all one big graphic. In your case, you happen to have a background as one layer and the letters as a separate layer. So what we really want to do is turn the letters white and the background black. So let's first double click on the letters, go over here to the color palette. On the left is the front most forward layer, and click that and go ahead and choose the color we want to change it to. If you want to change it to red, you hit OK. As soon as I hit the green check mark, it turns the letters red. But in our case, we want to reverse it. Go back to the color, make it white. I'll hit OK, hit the green check mark, and it turns it white. Now let's change the background color by choosing the background layer. Once again, come to the color palette and choose the background to be black. Hit OK, and all we got to do is choose the paint bucket and paint in the black background. And there we go. It changed the color easily. And now we got it all reversed. That's all there is to this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.